my father, don't you worry. If I happen to die in the battlefield, never mind, we shall meet again. Go and see, Emenamumeye Ojukwu. Agamaga Ojukwu, Iyoya Mbagharu, Ikagwuna Muna Mibo, Giwe Meri. Agamaga Ojukwu, Iyoya Mbagharu, Ikagwuna Muna Mibo, Giwe Meri. Ebuje, 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 Ebuje. Onya Iborokuza, Ayama Iteri Pambo. Onya Iborokuza, Ayama Iteri Pambo. Biafra, do, 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 do. Biafra, do, 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 do. Nema mutana mukwamu soja bini moya. Nama mutana mukwamu soja bini moya. Biafra mutana mukwamu soja bini moya. Agura gubona nu soja mo iwe iwe. Nema mutana mukwamu soja bini moya. Nama mutana mukwamu soja bini moya. Biafra mutana mukwamu soja bini moya. Agura gubona nu soja mo iwe iwe. Nema mutana mukwamu soja bino koya. Nama mutana mukwamu soja bini moya. Biafra mutana mukwamu soja bini moya. Amutata wola nu soja o iwe iwe. Nema mutana mukwamu soja bini moya. Nama mutana mukwamu soja bini moya. Biafra mutana mukwamu soja bini moya. Agura gubona nu soja mo iwe iwe.
The airborne voice of Okokondem of Radio Biafra and other sincere-hearted people all over the world vociferously vented their dislike of the killing of the Biafran children. Russian and Egyptian pilots under the auspices of the Nigerian military junta continued their vicious aerial attack on Biafra, dumping powerful bombs into Biafran schools, churches, markets, refugee camps, and hospitals, killing hungry and sick Biafran children. Today, we hear of Armed Forces Remembrance Day, but not even an hour is set aside to remember thousands of Biafran children who died as a result of hunger orchestrated by the blockade and as a result of bombs dropped by the fiendish Egyptian and Russian pilots fighting for the Nigerian military junta.
Kaiwerenu Obioma no di onye nne ya no n'eba. Kaiwerenu Obioma no di onye nne ya no n'eba. Kaiwerenu Obioma no di onye nne ya no n'eba. Kaiwerenu Obioma no di onye nne ya no n'eba. Kaiwerenu Obioma no di onye nne ya no n'eba. Kaiwerenu Obioma no di onye nne ya no n'eba. Ihe niile zuru oke n'ala Biafra. Akụnụba zuru oke n'ala Biafra. Ihe niile zuru oke n'ala Biafra. Naanị ọnwụ, ọnwụ, ọnwụ zuru ụwa. Naanị ọnwụ, ọnwụ, ọnwụ. Ihe niile zuru oke n'ala Biafra. Akụnụba zuru oke n'ala Biafra. Ihe niile zuru oke n'ala Biafra. Shall be our dedication. Spirit of love will count our privilege. The waving star, the rich and modest of me, shall always give of God of Nagari Nozara, Nachori Sabotuan, Ogua Utanyo, Gowanuga Wechi. Nagari Nozara, Nachori Sabotuan, Ogua Utanyo, Gowanuga Wechi. Nagari Nozara, Nachori Sabotuan, Ogua Utemo, Gowanu Awechi. Nagari Nozara, Nachori Sabotuan, Ogua Utemo, Gowanu Gawechi. Umu Biafra, Umu Biafra, Oburgini Kange Merunu, Oburgini Kange Merunu, Roya, Aluchuku Debube, Odebube, Aluchineke Debube, Amarana Kange so werena. Amarana Kange so werena. Namale, Namo puru pinazona gogu, Nama. Namale, Namo puru pinazona gogu, Nama. Okigbe seto jikere naga kwambo, jikere ije. Jikere naga kwambo, jikere. Iuronya rupi jikere naga kwambo, jikere ije. Jikere naga kwambo, jikere. RSM jikere naga kwambo, jikere ije. Jikere naga kwambo, jikere. Chineke mera ebere. Kamandiro gachanyo kenu wagbawasia. Chineke mera ebere. Kamandiro gachanyo kenu wagbawasia. Chineke mera ebere. Kamandiro gachanyi kenu wagbawasia. Chineke mera ebere. Kamandiro gachanyo kenu wagbawasia.
Yes, sir. Once again, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, and to some of you, good night, depending on your time zone. This is Radio Biafra Extra, for the avoidance of doubt, a live broadcast on this very fateful day. Radio Biafra Extra is streaming live through Radio Biafra London, being anchored by the Deputy Leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Mazi Uchi Ukafomefo from Abatiti. Abatiti is in Anambra, and Anambra State is Biafra land. He's the one who have assured us that he will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. And of course, he's standing in a deputizing capacity on behalf of our Supreme Leader, Mazen Nandioku Kano, the Prince of Afari Beku, the one and the only man that stood up to speak for the collective interest of the Biafran people for almost 6 decades. He is from Afari Beku. Afari Beku is in Umuahia. Umuahia is in Abia State, and Abia State is Biafra land. I am George Onibe. I hail from Abo. Abo is in Delta State, and every piece of land in Delta State is Biafra land. I must appreciate the Almighty Creator before we move ahead, for He is our wisdom, a matter both great and small. He is our guide, the lifting up of our head, the one that have set our feet upon this path that we must follow. And I will say to him in my own humble way, Anyị na-aja gị mma o, ịmakwa n'eziokwu na ịmara mma o, ịhụnanya anyị na gị, obiọma gị, o juru anyị anya dadi o, ịmakwa n'enwe gị mgbanwe o, ọ dịghị onye dịka gị, ịbụ Alfa na Omega, anyị niile na-asị na ịdị mma o. We shall move ahead to our topic this evening, which is simple: the indirect way to take over Biafra land. The indirect way to grab Biafra land. And if there is somebody who is still not aware of what is going on at this stage, I'm very sorry. You are beyond redemption. Nobody can actually help you. There are indirect ways that have been put in place. Their time is up and they are very desperate. Biafra land must be subdued. Biafra land must be conquered. Biafra land must be overrun. But they did it before. Will they do it again? If you allow what kills your father to kill you, that means you are not a very wise child. They started it with grazing bill. We were here. Because, oh, it's grazing bill. We want to pass the bill. The grass have to grow. The grow have to grass. The cow have to grease. They want grazing bill. What is grazing bill? Grazing bill means that every coastal region in Biafra land, 1 kilometer or more from the water, the water shore, 1 kilometer into the upland, around Biafra land, belong to Nigeria. Hausa Fulani. It did not get to Yoruba land, though. It didn't get to Lagos. And then there would not be Buguma today. There will not be Kalabari today. Many communities will not be there today, according to Asare. So he wept bitterly. But most of you did not hear about this. It was at the end of 2014 our leader talked about it. But then it has not been given a name. He said they are coming to take your land. They will give it to cow. And these are some of the things that make me to believe in the man of God. In the man of God. Reverend Archbishop, His Eminent Pope, Mazen Nandekano, my own Pope. But most of you didn't hear about it. And when they noticed there were opposition, everybody calmed down. Then I said, don't worry, leave them, we know what to do. They now changed the name. We started hearing about cattle ranching. Oh, we are going to do cattle ranching. Our cattle want to ranch. They must ranch in Biafra land. We need cattle ranching. Nigerians should do it. What they do is that while they are canvassing for all this illegal way to acquire your land, they will empower their terrorists, Fulani herdsmen, Miati Allah, Boko Haram. They will empower them to be killing people. And so United Nations, Geneva Convention, EU, and good people across the globe, we say, oh, it is a farmer and a herdsman crisis. But there is nothing like such before. There has always been herdsmen in this country from time immemorial. Why has there not been clashes as you have it today? But the point is that they know you are always afraid, you Biafran. They know you are always afraid. When we kill them, they will now run, they will give us. But how long are they going to do it? And then some people came out, they say, no cattle ranching. Cattle should go and ranch Sambisa forest. They went back, they replanned. They said, okay, don't worry. They got us there. Let us replan. Now they now come out and say, you must give us cattle colony. That was the worst. Because it means that British government has finished colonizing us. Hausa and Yoruba are colonizing us. It's not enough for them now. Their cattle must to colonize us. Cattle colony. No, you have to give us colony because our cattle must colonize you. Because all the people eating cow meat as we speak. Cattle is your new colonial master for the avoidance of that. You are still eating cattle. As we are talking to you, you are eating cow meat, melu. You are eating suya. You tell your boyfriend or your husband, honey, I want to chop suya. You are under the colonization of a cattle. We spoke up. IPOB rejected it. Biafran's people say, no, enough of this colony. And then they say, okay, don't worry, they get us here. Let's re-strategize. That is what Nigerians always do. Re-strategize to undo their people. And then they say, okay, let's change the name. Because we were putting cattle and grass, they understand where we are going to. Let's change it to Fulani dialect. They will never understand it. Before they understand it, we have taken over. And then we begin to hear, there is a Ruga settlement project going on in Nigeria. Every part of Biafra land must be Ruganized. You must Ruganize Yoruba land. You must Ruga. What is Ruga? Wouldn't they allow us to die before they bury us? And then everybody for the first time said, no. Water don't pass Gary. Ruga. To shut you down, Arewa area youth issued a press statement of threat. It's a love speech. We have told you that we are the Arewa area boys, the one that is in incorporation with the Fulani Herdsmen. In fact, we are Fulani Herdsmen, we are Miati Allah, we are Boko Haram, we the Northern youth. We are telling you, look at Northern youth. That is to tell you how shameful Nigeria is. Look at Northern youth. It's older than my father. The Arewa youth is older than my father. We are telling you, we give you 60 days. If it's 60 days, you don't give us the Ruga, we will Ruganize you. We need, the time is too long because we can't wait. We can't wait. Those of you in the north, we have been telling you, come back home, come back home, come back home. But now we have changed it. Please, get ready. Because we are coming there to join all of you. So they want war. Quick notice didn't work. Oh, they are threatened. We will see what we will do to Satanant. In your very land, we will overrun you the way you never believe. Those people who will come and aid you, they will bring all of us and you don't know what is happening. You saw the music I played before Facebook. Yoruba on Facebook post it. You gave us Kwashoko. And then there are people like Egyptian pilot bombing everywhere. Contractors of assassination. Assassinators. Everywhere killing our people. We won't give you that privilege this time. If you listen to that song very well, he said, instead of go on to rule us, let the word catch fire. Instead of that thing to repeat again. Instead of that thing to repeat again. Don't worry, let me stop there. But this is an indirect way of taking your land. But let's try to analyze it. Why is it that this campaign for Fulani, all of this campaign of Fulani become the most important project for Nigeria? I don't know if you understand. I wish Nigeria will come out and Nigeria will say we must give motor pass colony to Igbo people in every land in Nigeria. There must be motor pass colony. We must give Igbo motor pass colony. Then Ohanes and Igbo will come out and say, yes, it's a compulsory. We need motor pass colony. And then the government of Nigeria will build it. The government of Nigeria, look at Igbo people build trade fair. Yoruba now are looking for every opportunity to take it. Is that the same government that will build that place for you? But this same government taking what we the Biafran have built. And now telling you, we must build house for cow. In every state in Nigeria, we must build house for cow. And you people cannot see what is coming. Ask yourself a question. Why? When it comes to Fulani project, it's very, very anxious and eager. We know how many billions they spent to pretend to have discovered oil in the north. All were to deceive you. It's just that IPOB was watching them. By now, you would have heard that there is oil in Sambisa Forest. Of course, they drill oil diagonally, take it to anywhere they want. When they tell you there is oil in Lagos, these are oil from Bayelsa and Delta State. Drill it to Lagos and they are stealing it. Why is the oil in Lagos not flowing yet? Nyoshi. If IPOB was not here, by now, Northerners will be telling you that there is oil in Adamawa, there is oil in Sokoto, there is oil here and oil here. Because that is exactly the same thing they want to do. Now we are waiting for them. Drill oil. We know how many billions that was spent there. Ask yourself that question. Nigeria is hair-bent. Yoruba is going to lie. Osibanjo is going to lie to American people. These people are hair-bent. They want to build house for cattle. Ruga simply means building house for cattle. After all, your cattle have been mortalized. Your cattle is in Nigerian currency. Whereas the real heroes are nowhere. Why is it now the Azikiwe not in Nigerian currency? Has it not labored enough for this country to be there? But I will say instead of Nnamdi Azikiwe to be there, we better put the cow there. And they are leaving it out. That they did one mumu. They now brought some fake pictures and tell you, oh, this is your eta, this is your. Every people that maybe have feel bad about the former Biafran land, they bring all of that. You want to immortalize them. Ask yourself that question. Why is it that all the development project is always in the north, is cited always in the north or in the west? International airport in the west, in the north. They didn't remember Biafra land. Seaport in the west, in the north. Somebody will say there is no sea in the north. Now, how can you say there is seaport? We have dry dock in the north. We have desert seaport. When the ship come from Yoruba water side, they will follow ground and go and land inside the desert sand port. I will start to you, even if we don't have water that can carry ship, we have desert that can carry ship. So they build, what do they call it? Dry dock. Do you have it here in Biafra land? The only functioning seaport in Biafra land is Onne. Onne belongs to Atiku, your articulation. That is for him to be able to do his logistic work with Intel. It's actually open for Atiku, not you, not for Wike, not for any of you. The way you're telling me, I mean, go chance indige. That seaport was not open for you. Go there now. You have most building there, more than offices. That's yourself a question. Why is it that any project that we make our land to develop, they will cite it in Yoruba land or Hausa land? We have oil, but they want to build refinery in Lagos. They want to build refinery in Sambisa Forest. But what they want to give us is cattle ranching, cattle colony, grazing bill, and Ruga. That is the only thing that can be good for our land. And some of you are still there speaking BB grammar. Pastor Zaya of Buguma, as he claimed, JAJ of Delta, as they claim, these are Yoruba Fulani watered blood, product of rape as a result of war. When somebody call Nigerian radio and say, oh, look at this thing, it's evil, they will cut you off. They will tell you your mama, your papa. But if I say your mama, your papa, they will say it's evil. But Fela told you your mama, your papa. Obasanjo told you, Bayelsa, your mama, your papa. Hopeless people. No. The only project to cite in Biafra land is terrorist camp, army barrack, checking points, Ruga settlement. Ask yourself that question. Does it mean that the land of Nigeria is not strong enough? Biafra land is not strong enough for plane to land? Does it mean that our rivers are not deep enough for ship to land? Did they ever told you that Mongo Park, who was said to discover River Niger, did they tell you it was bicycle he used to come to River Niger? He sailed down there. That ship that brought Mongo Park to discover River Niger and River Benue, can that ship not bring in our goods through River Niger? Stop deceiving yourself. Ask yourself a simple question. Just simple 3 questions. All the 36 states in Nigeria. The only one that is good for Nigeria to remember you is Ruga. Now let me tell you what you need to know about all this game of land grabbing. It's just simple game of land grabbing. And there are things I believe you should know. Number one thing I need you to know. I want you to understand. Billions has been stolen from our land to buy our land. We know billions have been stolen. When they tell you steak swallow money, cockroach swallow money, chimpanzee swallow money, Python swallow money. They tell you we are drilling oil. Do you know how many billion, US billion dollars that was spent to look for oil inside where there is no oil? Those money they stole from our land. The same money they are giving to you, you say you are Igwe. The same money they give to you, you say you are Manyanabo. The same money they give to you, you say you are Obi. The same money they are giving to you, you say you are Igwe Kana. You give yourself different name that you say you are our leader. The same money they stole from our land, they are using it to buy our land. I want you to have it at the back of your mind. With this money, they are using it to pay off some of our people just to have access to our land. Very soon we will publish the name of all the agents in Biafra land working through the Yoruba to sell our land. Now let me tell you something you have not been noticed. I want you to go and look at all the agents in Biafra land. Estate managers or surveyor, what they call themselves. I want you to look at all the agents that are selling Biafra land. If you want to buy land, please, Biafrans, go and look at all the agents. You will see all of them are Yoruba. Our own Biafra agents, the only work they do is room to let, boys quarter, bacha quarter, 1 bedroom flat, 3 bedroom flat. Go and look at the major players of the people selling the land in your community. Oh, ye Biafra, you will see Yoruba. There are some of our people working with the Yoruba to sell this land. Very soon we will publish all your name. In fact, one of them in our bar, as we are talking, we are getting your profile. I will get back to you. He said that he is going to sell those acres of land to Awusa Fulani and then he will run out. That place you are running to, we will be waiting for you. Stop selling Biafra land. Because the same money they steal from our land, they are using it to buy our land. If individuals were coming forth to buy Biafra land, it doesn't mean. But now Nigeria is coming to buy Biafra land, knowing fully well that Nigeria is the one stealing our money. Don't you have sense? Other projects and bills will soon start. There are a lot of projects and bills that will soon come up. That is why I tell people, about say, oh, the Riga has stopped, they are suspended. Is no, they are changing the name. And this time, believe me, it's going to come in a more subtle name. Oh, livestock agricultural bill. They will say Nigerians want to improve on agriculture and livestock. Then they will pay one Biafran hopeless professor to come and cover up. And then one man will come, maybe from Niger Delta or Delta Niger. He will now stand before the media and say, well, it's a good initiative. As you can see, the government of the day is trying to make sure that they create labor and employment.